To set up bill pay on your TD Bank account, start by opening the TD Bank app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once logged in, your home page will display various options, including the bill pay option, which you should tap on. This will take you to a page where you'll need to confirm or edit your email address and then tap Continue. Next, review the terms of use and accept them. Then tap Continue again. On the following page, tap Add a bill to add a new bill to your TD Bank account. Select the company you want to pay, and you can add a new payee by tapping Add. Enter the account number and tap Next. Review your bill information, and if everything is correct, tap Add Bill. You can also choose to receive due date reminders, amount used, and statements by toggling the corresponding options. After adding the bill, you'll be prompted to enter the last 4 digits of your primary Social Security number, and then tap Next. Finally, enter your primary address and agree to the terms of use. Once you've completed these steps, you can start paying your bills by tapping Pay Your Bill. That's the basic process for enrolling and setting up bill pay on your TD Bank account.